Namaste. So today we will do a impromptu haul number 2 for October. So as I said in my previous haul for October video that I saw a lot of haul videos in September, and every time I saw them I was like, I want this one, I want this one, I want this one, and I ended up ordering so many things. So this is one of my new orders. Let's see what is there inside. I just hope that I have not ordered duplicates, because I don't know why I have received so many books. I don't even remember having ordered so many. So okay, I'm really worried that there might be some duplicates in this, but let's check it out one by one. So Color Flowers Color by Number, with the, I think this is the one with the black background, and apparently this is their color key, color palette, what you would like to say. Oh, this is not the black background. Why would I think it was the black background? Maybe because of the cover. But one of the reasons why I ordered this was I saw this book on Lisa's Coloring Corner. Most of the books that you will see here I have seen on hers, and I liked the broad spaces that were available for coloring. So I will do a flip through for all of these separately. But this is book number 1. Then I have this book, which is 100 Amazing Coloring Pages, 100 Easy Designs adult coloring book. And basically it's the same. Reason why I have ordered is because the pictures are quite spacious, very broad spaces to color, and very simple. So you just sit in front of a TV or something and you can finish coloring. Then there is this large print color by number for adults. Again, large print was what attracted me to this book. So that's it. When I was looking up this book in Amazon, one of the biggest complaints that people had was that this has the pictures have a double outline. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, and they were wondering why there should be double lining like this. I think it's fun because once you have finished coloring, you can actually go over that with black or silver or whatever, and it should not only make the colors pop out, but also if you're using alcohol markers, this will cover up any spreading of the markers. Then we come to this. This is my first ever Sachin Sachdeva book. I have never ever purchased any of his books, because though I did find them good when I saw others color in it, I never thought them interesting enough to purchase for myself. However, 2 of his books have caught my attention. One is this Magical Artifacts, and another is Stained Glass Egyptian something something. I don't remember, but I think I have ordered it, so we'll see. Anyways, so this is the book, color by number, and these are the images. Let's move on to the next one. Black background, large print, color by number, jumbo coloring book of flowers. That's sad because this is not jumbo. I don't know why they say jumbo. Also, when they said black background, it's not really black background, isn't it? The picture in itself is actually on a white background. It just has a black border. Yeah. Then there is this New York mosaic color by number coloring book. Again, it's the simplicity which attracted me, and that is why I have ordered this one. Then colorful patterns. This one I saw, I forgot whose channel it was. I am so sorry that I have forgotten her name, but I really loved the patterns that were there in that, and I thought I needed to have the book. Then this is space coloring book. I don't know why it is. Yeah, okay. So space coloring book, black background, and this is again color by number. And I decided to have it because I really did not have any book which had the space theme. So, but I'm not adventurous enough to buy a proper book and then color it. I don't think I'll be able to color it. That's why I went for a color by number. Again, the reason why I purchased this is because I did not have any book with mermaids, and I don't think I'm confident enough to color mermaids on my own. That's why I purchased this one, which is, if I am not wrong, a color by number, and supposed to be black background. But I think color Questopia, when they say black background, sorry for that, it's not actually black background, it is just white background with a black border. Doesn't matter to me much. The only reason I prefer black background is because when you color, if it spreads a little bit, you are able to not see it that much. Then the next one is trains, again by color Questopia. Oh my god, I don't know what happened to me today. Maybe it's the excitement of seeing so many books. And the happiness of going broke. This is also color by number. The reason why I ordered this one is because I have not seen it on anybody's channel till now. So I thought, why don't they have it? Trains is a very interesting subject. Maybe not for all, but for me, yes. And I thought, since it's color by number, I would not have to worry about how to color it. So that's the reason why I have ordered this one. So that's why. The same thing is with this one. I don't think I have seen it on anybody's channel, but when I was surfing for the books that I have purchased, I saw this one and I was thinking, will the scene really look like this after I have colored it? I doubt it, but if it comes even close to this, they have done a superb job on this one. So we will find out soon enough whether it is that. What I am a bit worried about is that every page has, if you see this, every page has the same key, color key. So I don't know out of these 50 shades what is going to be used here. That is a bit of a put off, but other than that, I don't know. The spaces look very tiny, so I'm not sure how it's going to be. We'll see. Okay. Then again, this one is by, oh, this is also by Sachin Sachdeva. I never realized that I'm ordering one more book. I thought I ordered only two of his books. This is by Sachin Sachdeva. The reason why I purchased this one is because I don't have a book with dinosaurs, and I'm not confident enough that I'll be able to color a dinosaur on my own. So I thought I should buy one with color by numbers, at least to start off with, and then we'll see as we go along. And then this one, I purchased the volume 1 recently and I am loving it, so I thought I will buy the volume 2 also. They really have very big designs and very easy to color pages, and it's completely up to us. You can play around with the background and do a lot of gradients and shading and actually make this more fancy. But for a person like me, I just want to grab some cheap markers and get on with it. So that's why I ordered this one. And then the last one in this one, this box was Beautiful Cities and Landmarks. Again, it's by Color Questopia and it's color by number. And I had seen this on, if I remember correctly, I think I have seen this on Lisa's channel, but her channel is called Color My Way, and she had done a page from this in one of her older videos. So I thought that is interesting. Let me buy this one. So that's why I purchased this one. So these are the books that I have got, and I have received this on the 4th of October. So you can imagine how many books and coloring supplies I ordered just on one day, that is the 1st of October. And some of them I have already received on Sunday, which was yesterday, and I have posted a video. I'll put a link to that video. But now let us count how many are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 books in all. And I do know for a fact some are still missing from this. For example, I do remember I had a Sachin Sachdeva Egyptian something book which is not there in this. That means I'm yet to receive some more books. That being said, I will do a flip through for these books separately each when I get the time. I will post the flip throughs for all of these books and separately, so that you can have a look at that. In the meantime, if any of you have any of these books, and would like to finish them, do more coloring in them, please contact me on Instagram. I'm putting the link in the description, and we can do a buddy color. So it will encourage all of us to do a bit more coloring and also finish a lot more pages. I hope so. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Thanks for having stopped by. Have a nice day. Bye.